Hi guys, Jeff here from TAB. Just want to let you know about our up-and-coming webinar series, a 4-part series on EV and hybrids. We had a fantastic introduction to EV and hybrids webinar held last week. Over 700 people registered and watched that particular webinar. That is available free of charge. So if you want to go and watch that one first up, which I strongly suggest you do, go to our training tab on our website. It'll be there for you to download or for you to register for, no cost. Then you'll be able to watch that introduction. Now the introduction covered the safety and some of the common stuff in that first webinar. The next 4 we're really getting into the nitty gritty of it. So the next one's EV hybrid principles and components, a whole lot of information on all the different types of hybrids, the plug-in hybrids, range extender hybrids, electric vehicles and fuel cell vehicles. We then move on to the second webinar, that's the EV and hybrid battery and monitoring systems. So going into the evolution of the batteries, what's the future in the battery area and battery management, BMS. Third one is on electric and hybrid motors and control systems. So looking at the 3-phase motors, etc. in most of the EVs and hybrids and how they operate, 1 or 2 motors, etc. And then the fourth of the 4 series is the EV and hybrid maintenance, repair and diagnostics. So we go into some common faults that are occurring with these EVs and hybrids, how you diagnose them, etc. and some of the tooling you might need going forward. So 4 fantastic webinars, about an hour and a bit long each. There will be a workbooklet attached as well, which you'll be able to download and print off before the event, and then you can combine them to have a great thing at the end. Cost for the webinars is $200 plus GST for the 4 for members, a little bit more for a non-member. Please, if you want to, click on the link here now and register. And again, if I say if you haven't watched the introduction one, which we did last week, please go and find that one and watch that one prior to watching these 4. But look forward to seeing as many guys as possible to log in for these 4 webinars. I'm quite sure you'll definitely all get something very, very valuable out of it. See you then.